Civics Chapter 4 Urban Local Government Bodies. Points to be discussed: 4.1 The Nagar Panchayat, 4.2 The Municipal Council, 4.3 The Municipal Corporation. So students, in the last chapter we learnt about rural local government bodies. In this chapter we are going to learn about urban local government bodies. Which are they? They are Nagar Panchayat, the Municipal Council, the Municipal Corporation. Let us know the advantages of living in cities or facilities in the cities. Opportunity for industry and business. Expanding service sector. You can do business, you can find jobs, yes or no? Large scale opportunities for jobs. Availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture, etc. Like you can go and watch cinemas, yes or no? There are malls, big malls, yes or no? Art and cultural museums, galleries are there in cities. Let us know what are the disadvantages of living in cities or problems in cities. There is no need of any explanation, that's why I will read the points. Shortage of housing, insufficient space. You can see sometimes some slums, some old buildings are sticked together. They are built by sticking together, yes or no? So congested, we feel suffocated when we enter those slums and buildings. Traffic congestion, there is traffic in cities, yes or no? That is why metros and all are going to build. Problem of disposal of waste, people don't have place to throw the waste. Increasing crime, yes or no? Due to many social medias and all, people whatever they do, they are posting it on the social media, yes or no? And it is spreading everywhere, it is becoming viral, yes or no? Students or children or adults, they are watching so many videos on social medias, yes or no? And they are getting the tendency to do such type of crimes, yes or no? That's why increasing crimes. A large proportion of population in slums. So many people are living in slums. Slums are more than buildings, skyscrapers or towers. Let us see the first point, 4.1 Nagar Panchayat. Explanation. Some villages are getting ready to become towns. Such villages have Nagar Panchayat. Some areas are not fully rural or urban. Such areas are under Nagar Panchayat. Elections are held every 5 years. From the elected members, president and vice president is chosen. So I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, 4.2 Municipal Council. Explanation. Municipal Council is for small cities. Elections are held every 5 years. The elected representatives functions or work as councillors. President is elected by the people. President election and general elections are held at the same time. Let us know about the duties of President of the Council. Explanation. President of the Council presides over the meeting. He controls the working of the council as well as financial administrations. In his absence, whenever he is absent, vice president look after the work. Let us know about the function of the council. Explanation. Obligatory functions. Meaning of obligatory functions. Compulsory duties or compulsory work. Let us know what comes under the obligatory functions. Lighting of public streets, providing drinking water, sewage disposal to clean the gutters, registration of birth, death and marriage. Let us know about the facilities provided by Municipal Council. Explanation. Discretionary functions. Meaning of discretionary function, left to individual's choice or judgment. What it is? Left to. It is individual's choice or to judge. So let us know what functions comes under discretionary functions. Planning new roads and acquiring necessary lands. Improving the condition of slums. Creating public gardens and park. One more I will add, public toilets. Yes. Next one, providing secure shelters for cattle. Let us know the source of revenue of the municipal council. Explanation, how they are collecting the fund is mentioned below. Property tax. They get fund from property tax, education tax, water tax, tax on markets, and they get grants from state government. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, 4.3, municipal corporation. Explanation, providing different services to the people. What it is? Providing different services to the people is done by municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation was established in Maharashtra. Proud to be a citizen of Mumbai and Maharashtra. Elections are held every 5 years. The elected members are known as corporators. Among the elected corporators, they elect a mayor and a deputy mayor. The mayor is considered as the first citizen of the city. Let us know about the duties of the mayor. Mayor presides over the meeting. Issues are discussed and decisions are made regarding the development of the city in the general board meeting of the corporation. Let us know the changes in election process of municipal corporation. There had some recent changes. Let us know what they are. Multi-member wards are created. Multi means more than one. So multi-member wards are created. In each ward, not less than 3 and not more than 5 members are elected. A voter can cast 4 votes if members are 4. So one person can cast 4 votes. Okay. So each ward must have not less than 3 and not more than 5 members. Let us know about the committee corporation. Explanation. The committee corporation has different committees to carry out different functions, different work, such as education committee, health committee, transport committee. Let us know about administration of the corporation. Explanation. The municipal commissioner is the head of the administration of the corporation. He is responsible for implementing decisions. Let us take an example of ban on use of plastic. It is his decision to ban the plastic. It is he who implemented the ban on plastic or on use of plastic. He prepares the annual budget of the corporations and presides over the meeting. Let us see the tables. Local government bodies of urban. So what comes under urban local government bodies? Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, Municipal Corporation. Let us see the members. Under Nagar Panchayat, minimum members are 9, maximum members are 15. Under Municipal Council, minimum members are 17, maximum members are 38. Under Municipal Corporation, the total number of members is proportionate to the population. Let us know the office bearers. Under Nagar Panchayat, we have President and Vice President. Under Municipal Council, we have President and Vice President. Under Municipal Corporation, we have Mayor and Deputy Mayor. Let us know the officials. Under Nagar Panchayat, we have Executive Officer. Under Municipal Council, we have Chief Officer. Under Municipal Corporation, we have Commissioner. So students, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.